Good day from me, BernieB. Today we are painting inside my own home. So I'm introducing Hamilton's premier interior tray set. Now the tray set has a paint tray, a roller handle, poly pile roller, a utility brush 50mm, drop sheet and masking tape. So it's the perfect tray set for painting the interior of your home. So let's get started. Okay, polyfilled areas here that I've already done need to be primed with a plaster primer. Once that's done, please take off your curtains, your lace, move furniture away. Preparation is important. Then the brush is going to be for cutting by the cornices and the skirtings. So it looks like we're ready to get going. And here we have Mrs. B. She'll be assisting BernieB in this project. Now that we've got the space cleared, drop sheets onto the floor, most important. We don't want to be cleaning the floor. And then mask up light switches, skirtings, cornices. And remember the polyfilled areas, we're priming it with a water-based plaster primer. Mrs. B is doing all the cutting at the bottom of the skirtings, and I'm doing all the cutting below the cornices. It just makes it so much easier when all the cutting is done that the rolling is pretty easy. 2 thin coats, allowing the paint to dry properly, 4 hours between those coats, and we're using the poly pile. And there we go, project done, 2 coats, and we certainly have the perfect finish.